Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin while workout is active. Put the watch on firmly and start the workout app so sensors track properly. Once the workout is running, swipe up to open Control Center and find the lock icon with the water drop symbol. Tap that icon to engage the workout lock. This prevents accidental taps and screen changes while you move. Keep your fingers steady. You'll feel a brief confirmation. This step ensures touch input won't interrupt metrics or workouts for the duration. Once locked, check the small padlock icon at the top of the display and feel the haptic pulse that confirms lock engagement. You can still use the digital crown to scroll through metrics, change music volume, or view timers without unlocking. This is designed so you can adjust on the fly. Note that pressing and holding the side button still allows emergency SOS. The lock only blocks casual touch input. Make sure to glance at metrics, often so you stay on target. To finish, stop the workout or unlock by turning the digital crown until the padlock opens, then tap to confirm. The screen will resume normal touch. If the watch fails to unlock, try a force restart by holding the side and digital crown buttons for about 10 seconds. That usually clears temporary glitches. Make sure Watch OS is up to date if this keeps happening, and repair with your iPhone as a last resort. This final check prevents repeat interruptions during future workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.